Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting and very simple topic, that is conservation of natural resources and its need. So now let us first understand what do we mean when we say conservation of natural resources. Now students, we can't really completely stop using the natural resources. Without the use of them, we won't be able to survive. So how do we conserve them? Basically, what we can do is we can wisely manage our biosphere in a way that the natural ecosystems are maintained as well as utilized in a well-planned manner. Yes, students, we cannot stop their use completely. Therefore, we use them in a wise way. Moving on. Now students, let us learn about the need for this conservation. First of all, by conserving the natural resources, we will avoid disturbances in the nature's balance. Now what does this mean? Let us say we are overhunting a particular type of animal. Now what will happen is, if the animal goes extinct, or even if the number of that particular animal becomes very low, the other animals which were dependent on the animal which we killed off will get affected. Basically, there will be a complete turbulence in the balance of the nature. So, to avoid that, we need to conserve the natural resources. Secondly, students, by doing this, we will preserve the quality of the environment. If we are polluting a particular water body too much, eventually that water body, may it be a river or a lake, will not be fit for human use. So, by conserving the natural resource, we can preserve the quality of the environment. Also, by doing this, we will preserve the diversity in the biosphere. That is, the different plants and animals and birds which you see around us will be saved by conservation. Next, students, we prevent wastage and spoilage of natural resources and renews their quality along with usefulness.
To learn more about this video, download Toppscholars app.